Hey everybody, I have not done a Tech Fresh to Death video for a little bit because I've been busy doing some training for the Be Local project that I'm doing. And so, truth be told, I have not checked in on my technical side of things for over a week. So I'm a little bit nervous to see what the AI agents have been doing for me in the background. However, I mean, so let's check it out. So I don't think I actually shared the exact service that I've been using, so I might as well. So I set up Noimos AI to be gathering the information that I've shared so far. So here she is. So let's see. Um, the really cool thing that I've liked so far is these are the agents that I set up to provide the various data, and you can choose so many. You can read, so I won't share all of them, but I really wanted to see the performance of my own social media site and how my own website was operating. And so I've already, based on the information that it was providing me, that this is what was telling me that I needed to inject some different code onto each page of my website. It's the one that provided me that specific information to search out the local information to reach out to. So these various bullet points were giving me that. So let's look into AI search visibility and content strategy. Isn't this neat how it, eek, so not doing so great, 49. But then it breaks it down. So at least I've got a decent score here. So what I do is go in and see where I can improve. And I think that where most people get tripped up, when I go in and read some Reddit sites for small businesses, is that I believe people assume that they need to apply every single thing. And I don't believe that's true. Half of this stuff, no, way more than half of this stuff, I don't even know what it means. What is a canonical URL mismatch? At this point, um, it doesn't matter for now. For my current initiatives, I'm going to go through here and see if something stands out. What I really care about is I see something like a good example of what I've done. I didn't have a good FAQ section on my site. It was a critical element that it said you need to add an FAQ section. I actually tried a couple weeks ago. It helped me build out a really beautiful FAQ page, but the font was minuscule, the way that it had me inject the code for it. And I myself could not figure out a way to fix it within the code that it gave me. So after a while of attempting it, I couldn't do it myself, so I kept the page hidden. It's still on my to-do list. I don't have time to revisit it today, so it's still on this list. I'll hit it again. So anyways, I also have on here daily action plans that I built in that I'm really liking. But listen, I don't go in every day, so after this, I'm going to go in and see what's been added since I checked it lists last. So, anyways, I wanted to share two things that this is still running. I love that it breaks it down for me like this. And hit the topic again that just because these AI agents give so much information, and yes, it would be awesome if I could fix everything that it's telling me to fix, but I can't. And I don't know that every single thing is going to provide me an ROI that I need at this moment. So I'm not going to put that pressure on myself to do it. Um, so, I think people take it a little bit too far. I'm going to cherry pick what works for me right now and what I can do for myself and go from there. It's supposed to be a tool, not a solution. It's not supposed to do my work for me. It's supposed to enhance what I'm trying to do. So there it is. And I'm going to revisit it when I have more time to do the things that are important to me, and I'll see if I can fix that FAQ section. That bugs me, and I'll probably need to pull in someone who can do it better for me. And then, hopefully, my end goal with this is to um, be able to share this knowledge with the growth partner um, collective businesses that end up working with me on the Be Local partnership that I'm creating in Bend and Redmond and Sisters and, the Central Oregon group. So, anyways, there it is. I hope I gave at least a couple little nuggets there, and I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.